Hi Sienna,
Hi.
you okay?
Yeah.
What are you doing today?
First I'm going to the bumper lady, and then school,
Yeah,
and then ballet class.
cool, that sounds like a good day. So what are you going to do at school today?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Don't know.
And what are you going to do at ballet class today?
Dance.
Dance? You're going to do new dances? Have you learnt any new ones?
I done new ones last night. Pirate one.
Private one?
Yeah.
Can you show me it?
Okay.
Go on then, go down and show me some ballet.
Have they hold do like that?
Yeah.
And hop 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 in the pirate line.
Yeah.
And have to do like that. Walk on your tippy toes.
Right.
Pirate line.
Show me some other ballet dances.
I got a new one a long time
Okay.
from ballet. I have to hold on to his and do that. Okay?
Okay.
And I have to.
Very good. What's that called?
It's the cloth dance.
Cloth dance?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Isn't that what Cinderella does when you do the Cinderella dance? Isn't that one of the things she does? When you fall asleep and wake up? No?
I do that only sometimes.
Oh, right. Do some dancing then.
And on Cinderella, I have to lie down like that way.
Right.
And do that.
Freshen up, yeah? Be awake.
And has to on the end have to do that. But two skirts on the end.
Yeah. Very good. I love your dances. Very cool dancing.
And I tiptoe.
Yeah.
And do like that. And say thank you very much.
So take a bow then. Thank you very much. Very good.